Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale. It comes with great potential as an income earner. It is located in Whitehall, Westmoreland. It lies just 2 miles from the heart of Negril and all major amenities. This house has 3 levels. Each floor has a kitchen, living and dining room. It has 4 verandas and there are 2 large water tanks underneath the structure. On the first floor, there are 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living and dining. Second floor consists of 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living and dining. Third floor consists of 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 jacuzzi, kitchen, living and dining. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 475,000 or Jamaican $73.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.